Look at that. Team Pixel finally came through. Pixel 8 Pro. No, this is not a Team Pixel video. It's a For the Love of Tech video. Now, I have been rocking the OnePlus, gosh, all these foldables everywhere. My OnePlus hasn't come in yet, which is terribly sad, but I've been using the Z Fold 5, and before that, I was on the Pixel Fold. Now, one thing I will say is I enjoy big phones, I enjoy the double screen, but what I don't enjoy is all of this extra weight in my pocket and in my life at all times. So, I'm really looking forward to the Pixel 8 Pro, giving it a try, and just kind of seeing how it feels to have a regular normal phone in my pocket again. Pixel 8 Pro, this is a 6.7 delicious looking screen. Played with it in the store a little bit, and it is Google's newest device. I don't know what else to say other than let's go ahead and dig into it. See Team Pixel there? Not Team Pixel. I got kicked out. So this is the 128 Bay Blue is what they're calling it. Here it is, nice screen, nice beautiful blue phone. Nothing different in any unboxing video that you haven't already seen already. The stuff is in the box. We've got stuff and we've got a phone and we don't have a charging brick. So that is unfortunate. Google, did you not send out SIM ejector tools? I don't think they did. Oh, there it is. I was like, Google, how cheap did you get? But I found it.
Okay, false alarm. Everybody calm down. Calm down.
Important documents, save these. You're gonna need them later. Don't throw them out. Keep them in a safe place. So you're gonna go ahead and do a little pokey poke right there. You see that? It's a tray. You're gonna come over here. Oh, where's this spot? I think it's over here. Oh yeah. Awesome. So, Aaron, where have you been? Why haven't we been getting a bunch of videos? What's going on? Do you abandon the channel? No, I didn't abandon the channel. But there's been a mix of good and bad things going on, which has kind of been keeping me busy. And one of the reasons why I am getting this phone, and this one is too heavy, and I'm glad to not be using it, is I've been having a good amount of increased pain in my neck and shoulders due to a couple of herniated discs. So I've been working through that medically and just trying to take care of that. And I'm at the point now where I can't really hold heavy phones for any amount of time without dropping them because of the nerve damage until it gets fixed, which hopefully will be super soon. So until then, a little explanation why videos are so slow to come out. And here we are starting our phone up from the very beginning. So let's go ahead and get right into this.
One eternity later.
So we were able to get our Pixel 8 Pro kind of set up as much as we can. It's still going through a little bit of setup stuff at the moment, but from what I can tell, the device is heating up on the install. It's kind of warm. I don't know if there's been issues with that. You see, I'm not Team Pixel, so I can tell you.
This thing's heating up right now.
Am I saying Team Pixel doesn't tell the truth?
I don't know, but I'm saying sometimes they might not tell the whole truth all the way up front because
If you do, then you don't go to Team Pixel next year. And that's not...
I'm not making that up. So this not Team Pixel Pixel 8 Pro is it's warming up just on the setup, but this is the first time that we've had it on. It's downloading all the apps, it's doing all the setup. When's that gonna happen? Once. It's gonna happen once, maybe twice if you reset your phone. So this is kind of something you got to work through. Don't throw the baby out with the bathwater type of thing. So we're gonna go ahead and keep using it and playing with it. And the first thing we're gonna do, because this is a Pixel, is we're gonna take some photos. Bobblehead Steve right here. All right, here we go. Pixel activated, camera on. First time using the Pixel 8 Pro camera. I've used this camera, but I wasn't terribly impressed with it. So Bobblehead Steve. So macro is on, tap to learn more. So we're gonna go ahead and tap macro focus, tap on the icon to turn it on and off, focus on objects at 3 centimeters. I don't know how big 3 centimeters is, but I'm guessing it's right. So yeah, there's the little macro thing off. Okay, I get it. Let's go ahead and give her a try. Macro on. We don't want to use flash. Flash is gonna give us like, I'm gonna say like artificial results, if you will. We already got enough light in here. One more time. Macro off. Ooh, that gets different, doesn't it? Okay. All right, let's go ahead and try our new addition to the For the Love of Tech studio for our photos. And this is Princess Leia. Princess Leia. Here we go, we got Princess Leia. And we also have an Ewok. An Ewok and Princess Leia. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. And there we go. We're gonna take some photos again up and close and personal. Oh, there's a camera update. We better take it. Macro activated. Princess Leia. Couple selfies, if you will. A portrait. All right. Dark mode. Sample photos of your Pixel 8 Pro goodness. So the device is still hot. It's getting hotter. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in the cooler and let it chill out. And then I think the next thing is a little bit of a photo test, some samples, maybe a photo comparison video. I know it's been a while since I gave you one, but I think I'm gonna have some downtime and I'm gonna take some photos and some comparisons. And I just wanna know, if I were to do a camera comparison on the Pixel 8 Pro, what camera or what device would you like to see me pin it up against? Let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.